The man grabbed a fresh wave dragon and disassembled it. After simple frying, then place it on the stone. Pour cement-like sauce on the side. A very creative seafood feast formed. Deeply attracted the rich man next to. He couldn't wait to pick up the shrimp meat, but was suddenly interrupted. The chef told him it would taste better with some sauce. After taking a bite, simply delicious. Rich people are very satisfied with their food. The chef also showed a satisfied smile. Paul is a top chef, good at cooking delicious meals for celebrities from all walks of life. But they just invited Paul to brag and show off, because they don't understand food at all. Paul knew this. When he was little, the family is poor. His mother worked as a servant in a noble family. He was curious about the caviar that rich people ate, so he secretly opened the nobleman's refrigerator. This small jar of caviar kept mother working in vain for several months. When cleaning, he kneels on the ground. Dip a little caviar on the ground with your fingers. When he puts it in his mouth, he was surprised to find something so expensive tastes really bad. At this time he finally understood. Poor people eat to satisfy their hunger. Rich people eat for status. Since then, he aspires to be a chef. Let rich people respect him. Now because one sees the rich man's stomach tightly, he decided to expand the team. So he started recruiting chefs. A girl on the street caught his attention. Soon she was taken to the restaurant run by Paul. There was also a professional chef who came for the interview. However, Paul's question surprised them.
ข้าวผัดมันไม่ง่ายเกินไปเหรอครับ
Anna is busy make food, but the professional chef seemed particularly calm. All the raw materials he uses are high-end raw materials. The presentation is also very exquisite, but what the girl does is very simple. Paul glanced at the rice cooked by the chef. Turning around, he scooped out a spoonful of Anna's fried rice. Pick it up and smell it and get the result.
กลับบ้านไปเชฟรู้แล้วบอกให้กลับบ้านไปไง
But the chef was unconvinced. He felt that Anna's humble plate of fried rice couldn't possibly taste better than his. But Paul slapped him hard, because when you choose ingredients the outcome is already decided. Anna's fried rice uses overnight rice. Professional chef serving freshly cooked rice. The chef who graduated from school didn't know that he should use overnight rice when making fried rice. He deserves to be eliminated. Although Anna did not study in a professional school, but she understands the fireworks in the world. Although the smell of fried rice noodles on Anna's body is incompatible with this high-end restaurant, but after taking a shower, put on another set of work clothes, Anna finally became a chef in a high-end restaurant. But this is just the beginning of her dream. Yes, she will face greater challenges next.
งานคืนวันพรุ่งนี้เจ้าของงานคือป๋าเปรมศักดิ์
The guests are all important figures in politics and business. The theme of the banquet is blood and flesh. Anna's task is to stir-fry a 5 Wagyu beef until it's tender and juicy.